I don't know if you remember this, but I've gone through quite a few iterations of sleeping arrangements for the kids. I made one video about how I made this area into a elevated bunk bed. Then I raised one bunk up and put this couch in here and had another bunk above that. I finally decided to go with my original idea that I wanted to do. I'm going to build a loft bed above the cab area. As you can see, I've already begun the demolition.
Did you do this?
You like it?
What have you been doing when we have been in there?
I've been doing so many things.
I give you 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10? That's nice. He's talking about my benches and my table. So you're making a box for it. Whoa, out in the yard?
Yeah, because...
Sweet. I can't wait to see it. I haven't been taking very much footage, but it's going really, really well. I have these beams up. These are the support beams here. One here. And this is the metal frame inside the wall here. So that's the metal frame it's attached to. And then this side is the other support beam. And that, how is that supported, you ask? These backboards are actually drilled into a metal frame all the way through here. So there's a metal frame running through this board, and I've got metal screws here, and then these are just regular wood screws screwed into here. But behind this board is a strip of sheet metal. So as an extra reinforcement, don't want this thing falling down. I organized all the wiring back there. I found out which wires go where, which ones aren't even used, and I like zip tied them. So it's very neat back there now. And then all around here, I have these supports for the actual plywood. I have one of these sheets of plywood here. You can tell I let the kids try it out and play up here a little bit yesterday. Hi. And each of the kids, they're gonna have these outlets. There's gonna be an outlet on each side for their iPads. The roof is actually curved right here. So I was just gonna put straight boards across, but that would leave a gap. But I do have these old pieces from the old cabinet. Voila! They are curved. So I'm gonna take off the top part of this, and that will do the curved part. Then I can use my flat piece of plywood, which means I have to lower the outlets, but that's okay. But this is looking really good, guys. Whoops. Nice loft bed for the kiddos. Oh yeah.
You like the bed?
Oh heck yeah, boy. I got my stuff right here. My books back here. My iPad's charging over there. And I got my poster and the lights on it. Oh, and I'm cozy.
So the loft is finished and it's wonderful, but only 3 kids fit up there. This kid is too long to fit up there. How'd you get so tall?
Okay, I can't even lie straight on the couch.
Yeah, so she needs her own bed that is long enough for her and with room to grow. So now, this is the next project. It's gonna be a bunk bed, a mini loft for one person, and then the bottom will be a couch. But it could also be a bed for someone else if they get too tall. Right, Abraham? So I have all the lumber cut. Once again, just using scrap wood that we had around. It's so nice to have just a pile of wood around to do whatever you want with. I've got the posts made, and now I'm gonna do all the supports. Alright, all the supports are in. You want to help me put the cushions on, Eleanor? Cool, let's do it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Can you do it? You can do it. Oh, perfect. Gotta do it this way, Shelly. Alright, get this ones now and put it on the back, right there. Not for grown-ups. And these are the couch nuggets that I bought, and now we have 2 mattresses. Oh, look at you guys.
Mommy, let me hug you.
Hug me? You know, hug me? Oh, that's so nice. Now all I'm gonna do is use this lumber here to make a side on the side. That way there will be no things falling off the bed or people falling off the bed. So here's the bunk bed. I got these attachable curtain rods here. She has her own little charging spot right there for her devices and notebooks and such. Use the same curtain up here. Ta-da! And then underneath, I have these thicker red curtains that go all the way across the windshield. I also installed our router up here, so that's accessible. And this place feels pretty cozy.